we will see the next things, that is things made up of fabric. What are the things made up of fabric? That is what is the next activity we have. See, various purpose. We can use the fabric for using for mopping, gunny bags, for having the banners, flags, shoes, curtains, bookbinding, different purposes also we are going to use. Now we'll see things made up of fabric. What are the proper things which we are going to use, make with the fabric? That also we are going to see now. Next is things. Things made up of fabric, things in our home. Just I'm converting this activity actually. Just I'm converting this. List out. Otherwise, we'll read like this. List the things in your home made up of any type of fabric. Classify them into cotton, silk, wool, polyester, terylene, etc. Okay, we have some. Identify the fabric. You can take the help of your elders. Take some materials from in your home and try to identify by which type fabric they are made up of. Okay, suppose if I want to concern what are the things which are made by using the cotton fabric, for example. Okay, and I can classify what are the things in our home are there where which is made up of silk fabric, what are the things which are made up of wool, what are the things which are made up of polyester, what are the things which are made up of linen. This is being given as a table in page number 75. I'm going to help you out to fill this. Suppose if we have a cotton, type of the fabric is cotton. Now what are the things which are made up of? Okay, that's what I'm going to help you out. See, if the type of fabric is cotton, the things might be shirts. The things what we will see in our home that is made up of cotton fabric, maybe it will be shirts, saris, dress, dhotis, door curtains, etc. Okay, we can have cotton shirts, we can have saris, cotton dresses, dhotis, we can have even door curtains also we can consider which are made up of cotton fabric. Now let's see what are the things which are made up of silk, kurta, sari and ropes. Kurtas, saris, mother saris or sisters or any elders, kurtas and saris which are made up, sometimes they will be made up of silk also. We will find that which are made up of silk. Wool, that all we know that in summer as we wear sweaters are made up of wool. Socks, some whatever we use, some socks are made up of wool as well. Now polyester, we use polyester. The polyester is used for shirts, saris, dhotis and some trousers also we will use. And the cloth of umbrella, when we open an umbrella there will be a cloth which is there on the top of the umbrella, that also can be considered as polyester. Should be is one type of polyester. Now linen, trousers and saris, shirts also. Now we have the shirts also of linen type. Okay. Now if you see what is the difference between the silk and the cotton, is there any appearance difference, or is there any quality difference, or is there any thing that is making the difference? We have a small segment here. What are the properties which are going to have the differences? That is identifying the type of fabric based on the property, characteristic of that fabrics. We discussed that what are things which are made up of different cottons. Some things are there which are made up of, we have silk. By silk, some we will find some things at home which are made up of. Now we'll see how to identify identifying the respective fabric based on its property. Based on the properties we can identify the fabric. How to identify the type of fabric is the next one. Now we have certain properties. We have certain properties which will help us to identifying the types of fabric. What are the properties are? See, cotton fabrics are somewhat thicker than polyester. Cotton is thicker. Cotton fabric is thicker than polyester. See, cotton, these are the properties that what we are going to see. Cotton fabric is thicker than polyester, and coarse cotton cloth is heavier. Coarse cotton fabric or cloth coarse cotton cloth is heavier, and after washing cotton cloths get wrinkled. See, when we wash the cotton after washing they gets wrinkled. These are the properties of cotton. Cotton fabric is thicker than polyester. Coarse cotton cloth is heavier, and after washing cotton cloths will gets wrinkled. That's what we have discussed. Now if you talk about silk fabric, is smooth to touch. When we concern about silk, is very smooth to touch, whereas woolen fabric are somewhat heavier than